Christmas tree decorations. Santa Claus Bauble. Hi everyone, it's Creative Mom from 1 to 3 Kids Fun channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make cute Christmas decorations. I will need decorative golden paper, decorative black glitter paper, ruler, pen, old bubble, red glitter, red acrylic paint, scissors, pencil brush, and a hot glue. These Santa bubbles are so easy to make and it will really look beautiful. You can use them as Christmas tree decorations or even as a homemade Christmas gift. Have fun guys, and if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. See you later!